Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I have a kind of a mini Poundland haul. I was in town today, so I just nipped in there. I haven't been in there for a while, and I have picked up some goodies, and they are especially good for some upcoming projects of mine to do with journals, planners and glue books. So I thought I would share this with you. It's probably going to be a quick video because there aren't that many things here. Let me just show you what I picked up. They do have some really good things in there. So I did pick up some Pritt sticks because you can never have enough, and actually I prefer Pritt sticks to the other glue sticks, and I do get through them, and my other ones have kind of dried up because I never use them, so I just got those. Also I picked up some pastel highlighters. Now I do have oh, actually these were from B&M. I lie, these were from B&M. The rest of the things were from Poundland. I did nip in there as well and got a few things. So these are some pastel highlighters, which I do have highlighters, but I've never seen the pastel ones before. Pastel as the posh way of saying it. So they were £1.29. I thought they were a super bargain, and you will be seeing these very shortly in some of my new videos that are coming up. So that's those. I found these little resin flowers. They're stick-ons. They're not brads, they are stick-ons. Just a little pack of cute little resin roses there, and these are really cute. Now I don't know if the camera is going to pick this up. These are four there's two lots here of 4 little stamps, and I don't know if you can see, there's a little stop it unicorn. It says stay magical, a little mermaid and a little whale. So these will be super cute for my planners and things. And then we have these ones, which are monsters, which are like Charlie Asbo, and it's got this cute monster there and another monster and a funny monster, and it says but these would be cute for the kids as well. But you get 4 for £1, and I thought these were super cute. Always looking for cutesy things to decorate my planners and journals, etc. Right, you don't always have to do vintage, you see, you can have fun ones. And then I found all of these goodies. So we have some photo corners, which I did buy, I believe, 2 packs of these. Just little photo corners, which I thought would be great when we put some little photos in our journals or project life things, etc. And then I found all these yummy stickers. Of course they're £1 a pack because they are from Poundland, but look at these. Stop it now, they're all going to end up on the floor. So we have these really cute ones, which are Make a Wish, You're One of a Kind, I Believe in You. Got lovely unicorns and rainbows and flowers and sparkly goodies there. This one has birthday things, but if you're doing a planner and it's someone's birthday, these are great to decorate the pages. But you're going to be seeing that very soon in some of my journals and planners. Happy birthday and many more. Sending birthday hugs. Enjoy your special day, it's your birthday. Lots of candles, balloons and a banner. And then we have this floral one, which says you're amazing, happy, hello sweet friend, just because you're special, thanks, thank you. So you know, you can use these for card making as well if you're not into your planners. And there's lots of these lovely flower embellishment stickers. And then we have these ones, which have cute as a bug, love bug, thanks, bugs and kisses, hello little sunshine, heard you caught a bug, that's very cute. And then it's got ladybugs and flowers and bees and cute things. And I love these owls. Look at this. Owl, always love you. Owl, you need is love, forever and always. And look at these cute owls. So I mean, if you're just making cards, these are fantastic. And then we have these gorgeous unicorns and diamonds and stars. I know a little Franny Fran who will love those. And then I've just got these fun paper clips as well. So like I said, this is a very quick haul really. I'm going to do a vintage book haul in a minute, because I did go to the bookshop as well, but I just thought I would do a very quick little video just to show you what Poundland's got in at the moment, as they have some super cute things, and they've also got hair clips if you need them. I did get hair clips. The other thing I wanted to show you, actually, I did go to B&M, and like the highlighters were from B&M. I also picked up these. Now, these are fantastic. They're a set of 10 mini notebooks. They're £5. But I'm going to show you a way to make these into some super cute Christmas presents. So for £5, you've got 10, theoretically 10 presents there. So I'm going to be I am going to bite you back. I'm going to be showing you how to decorate these up and give these as gifts or keep them yourself. But they are just, you are being horrible. Right, I thought you turned a corner and you was being good again. Well, ow. It seems that it didn't last very long, did it? I don't know why he's got all grumpy again. Don't even think about biting me. No, you're being unfair. You've got all this space. Right, okay. So yes, these will be in an upcoming video tutorial as well. And even if you can't find these, you haven't got a B&M, I'm sure you could find little notebooks somewhere that would be just as good for this project. So that's something coming up as well, so keep an eye out. Right, gosh, that was a very quick video, 6 minutes 50. Charles, what are we going to do now? He's just looking to be a little pest. Right, so I'm going to go. I'm going to get all my books out and get them ready to show you, and I will be doing another haul, but it is a vintage book haul, which will come in the next couple of videos. So take care for now. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe, and thanks to all my new subscribers, and thank you to all my subscribers that are following me and have followed me all along. I really do appreciate you. I'm not just trying to fill space. I really do want to say thank you to you all. Honestly, I do. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. I love you guys millions, and thank you so much for watching and being here for me, and take care. See you soon. Bye bye.